Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to create cloning game using Scratch. So first, I'll take the Scratch cat and group. I'll change how this looks. It makes it look more angrier. I'll copy it. This one I'll just turn everything red. And now I'll flip it horizontally. So now, when flower clicked, actually I'll wait until later to copy it. Forever, if the mouse is down, that is, if the mouse is being pressed, create clone of myself. Currently, it just created in the same place, and when it will start as a clone, go to mouse pointer. So basically, I have a Scratch Cat's army, and now repeat until touching the edge. Move 10 steps. And now if it does touch the edge, instead of just stopping, it will delete itself. Oh, come on. Don't work. Now I'll change these from Scratch Cats to missiles. I'll make the missile to be long and rectangular. Also make them to be white. Meaning that's how I have to change the backdrop. Change to the stars. I'll give it a red. This no. And make this to be red. I'll switch to Crash Cars Costume 1. And now when it starts as a clone, switch to Costume 2. And now this will switch to Costume 1. So now I can shoot infinite missiles. I will duplicate this. And I will flip it horizontally, and I'll flip the missiles horizontally. So now, instead of if when the mouse is down you create a clone of itself, it will wait every 0.1 seconds. Oops, it's supposed to be doing my negative 10 steps. Also, this would be if it is touching the edge or it is touching the Scratch Cat, then do this. And now I'll move this over here. Whatever. I'll just do if it is touching the edge or it's just touching the other sprites right too, then move 10 steps. I'm going to make sprite 2 to be red, except for these parts. Move negative 10 steps. Oops. Move 10 steps. Oops. This isn't supposed to be equal to a mouse pointer. Also, I removed this. X. Attack back. And now I make it spawn in random positions. Go to X. Yeah, I'll make this to go to the current X position. So it will automatically set the go to the current X position, which is good thing. Let's we pick random from negative 250 to 250. I'll play it. No, it's not supposed to be this. It was supposed to be in the other one. Take one. What's the X? Oh, this would be 178 instead. Okay, now. Oh. I'll now make the player's missiles to be this color. I'll be able to differentiate between the player. Oh. Even with this, it's still very hard. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.